Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create a poll on Twitter.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Twitter allows for users to create polls within tweets. Watch this full video to learn how to use polls on Twitter. To begin, open the Twitter app from your apps drawer. Now tap on the tweet compose icon in the right corner below. While the option to write a tweet appears on the screen, select the add poll icon, which looks like a graph. Then type your poll question in the main box. You can use up to the max character count in your poll question. After the question, write your first poll option in the choice 1 box, and then your second poll option into the choice 2 box. You can use up to 25 characters for each option. Now you can tap plus icon to add more options to your poll. Your poll can have up to 4 options. The poll's duration by default is set at 1 day. You can change the poll length by tapping 1 day. Then adjust the days, hours, and minutes. The minimum amount of time for a poll is 5 minutes, and the maximum is 7 days. After that, tap on Set. Then finally, tap on the tweet button to post a poll. That's it. Your followers, and whoever else sees it, can then vote for whichever answer they prefer. Below the poll, you can see the time remaining of the poll. For more options, tap on the down arrow from the poll. You can pin this poll on your profile, delete it, mute the conversation, or view hidden replies. So in this way, you can create a poll on Twitter. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.